to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. Yes, I am wearing Grinch pyjamas. Yes, I know it's only November, but do I care? No. Christmas for me starts in November, and I absolutely love Christmas, if you don't realise. Or if you don't know me, I'm a girl who loves Christmas. Yeah. As you have seen in today's thumbnail, today is a redoing our Christmas tree. Now, as you can see behind me, we went white and silver. We always go white and silver every year, but we've decided to go pink this year. As you can see on the side, we have little pink bits there. So today's video is redoing our Christmas tree as a pink one. So it's going from white and silver to pink. So I hope you guys enjoy. That is going to end today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have, as always, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.